Looking to attract more clients and boost revenue for your party planning business? Start by setting measurable goals, like monthly bookings and average event revenue, and clearly define your ideal client by event type, budget, and location. Consistent branding across your website and social media helps you stand out, whether you offer luxury, family-friendly, or stress-free experiences. Use a multi-channel marketing strategy to reach clients wherever they search and socialize. SEO and content marketing drive long-term leads, while Google and social ads help with quick promotions or last-minute bookings. Share visual inspiration on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, and use email automation for proposals and follow-ups. Invest in website optimization to convert visitors into leads, streamline navigation, highlight your best work, and make booking easy on any device. Build local SEO by targeting specific keywords and forming partnerships with vendors for quality backlinks. Track key performance metrics like leads, conversion rates, and return on ad spend to measure your marketing's impact. By focusing on practical digital marketing tactics and monitoring results, you can increase bookings, grow your client base, and create predictable revenue for your event planning business.